Before moving to the initial video, I want and had a two heart chat with you guys. And the first thing I want to tell you about is I want you all to get some initial and nice knowledge from this audiobooks that I am providing so that you can grow in your life. And by subscribing and giving us a little appreciation, we will be able to make more content like that, and so that we as a community and as a group can grow together. I will let you know about the new books I'm posting, and the audiobooks I'll be giving in a few months or days. I don't know actually whatever time it's take, but it has so much to do with what you guys want and what want. Look, we both are at a stage where we all want to grow. So, if you guys can provide us some value, so I promise you that I will take care of the needs and the requests of you. And I will make sure that every single audiobook I post gives you some knowledge, some content, and some clarity in your life so that you can grow bigger and have a very grateful and healthy life. If you guys have a business and you always struggle with how to price your product, or you are going to do a business but you don't know how to make the product very affordable, cheaper, with greater quality, so for those kind of fellows, here we are with our 15th chapter of the book, Build on Talk by Raj Shamani. And the chapter's topic, actually, headline goes like how to price your product. So, anyone who want to price their product, or they are trying to launch something new and they don't know how and at which amount the buy a customer will buy their product, guys, this is for you. So listen up to the whole video. India is price sensitive first. So if you are building something here, make sure you get this right, because bad price and good product leads to a failed business in this country. No matter which category you belong to, there's this one common question: how to decide a price for your product or service. You might be an entrepreneur venturing into your business world for the first time in your life, wondering how much you should charge for your product. You might be someone entering the freelance world, confused how to decide the charges for your service, or you might be someone starting a new job trying to figure out your salary. Let's say you are a writer, you decide to charge 100 rupees to write a book of 50,000 words, and 20 people are interested in hiring you. When you are when there are 20 people, you can increase the price. Now you decide you can charge 1,000 for a book. If there are 20 people right now, people ready to pay you for your work, you realize you can charge 10,000. If there are 10 people ready to pay you, you can charge 10 lakh. Then you will be like, okay, I have only one client now. Great. Even if that only one client comes, it doesn't matter, I can do it and it will still be worth it. You increase your price based on how many people are ready to pay you for your product. How do you calculate the price of your service? You calculate it on the basis of your time. If you have 8 hours in a day and you're working 1 lakh a month and the other person cannot offer you that, then to hell with them. But if you are working for 50,000 and someone is ready to pay you 1 lakh, then you would be more willing to do that. Bingo. you have increased the price of your product and service. You just decide a price and try to increase it bit by bit. You try on price your time. First of all, everybody needs to have an hourly rate. Make sure you can communicate to your client that you are ready to give X hours of work. If it takes more than that, then you are going to charge for extra hour. Make sure the other person understands that there is a code of conduct that needs to be followed. You should compare your hourly rate with how much you would be getting if you were doing a regular job. Suppose you could get a job for 30,000 a month and you're working 10 hours a day. Then your hourly rate becomes 100 rupees. Now if you have to provide a service to someone, make sure you are charging at least 110 per hour, because if you are spending your hours on stuff that's not working, then you need to make more than you do while working in your office. If you have no job and you are earning 0 rupees, then just start doing it for free so that you build a name for yourself. The faster you can make a name for yourself, the faster you can start charging money, and then keep increasing your fee. What do you do on social media? You tell them this is a trailer. If you want more, then pay for it. Suppose you come to me and tell me, Raj, I want you to write my speech. Much do you charge? I will tell you, you know what? The average person with these many years of experience charge X amount. The person who has given 50 speeches and has itna followers on social media charges X amount. What do you think, given by time and my collaborate, I should charge? I have given you the power. How much do you think I am worth? You might try to joke around and say, if it's up to me, I want you to do it for free. Yeah, take 50. And my reply will be, okay, bro, people who would do it for 50. Go and get them to do it. If you come to me, then you must think there is some merit. The same power shift rule applies here. You should give the power to someone else to decide. If you agree, given the power to someone else to decide. If you agree with the amount of money they come up with, then cool, go ahead with the work. If you don't and think there's a scope for negotiation, negotiate. But if you think this person is not valuing your time and effort, and you did get better with your job on through other projects, then simply tell them, thanks for the offer. I see you don't have the budget right now. I look forward to working with you when you do have the right budget. That's it. If the person recognize your value, they will try to retain you. If they can't, move on. Key takeaways: decide the price of your product and service depending on how much people are willing to pay you for it. Put a price on your time. And also, guys, I'll be looking forward for your lovely and beautiful comments and suggestions that what should I change in it so that I can get better at this. And thank you for being here and listen to this.